What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mini Trades back with another video, and I had my biggest day of 2024 today, coming up on $70,000, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what's going on. But first, I want to say all praise to God. That's the only reason why I'm here, and that's the only reason why the people who are with me and learning with me are here. So let's go over my profits. BNED was a stock in which I had 20 grand almost, right around there. And then another one, MGRX, which I had 18 grand realized, and then 13 right here. But that's just me, right? That's just me. And then here's the members, 11 grand. If Mini says 0.8, then 0.8. Wow, Mini all out at 80. The knowledge, you guys can see right here, everyone's getting paid. You guys can see paid my rent in 1 day. Paid my rent in 1 day. Absolutely insane. Legit levels are legit spot on. 1.5x the daily goal in 5 minutes. One trade and done. Absolutely insane. 20% over daily goal. Nuts. And here is the alert. So let's go over that. Let's go over how we're banking. So I hope you guys were able to capitalize as well. But we're gonna go over MGRX only today. Just for time purposes, and I know a lot of people like to just see the value and go away, and not want to stay too long. So let's just talk straight value. What's going on? Why did I take this trade? So if we go to the daily chart, the weekly chart, what I look for is buyers or sellers previously in that area. So now, when we open on MGRX, let's see, I took this 15 minutes after open, okay? 15 minutes at 8:44 Central. So that was at 67.50. Now, the reason why I took this was when we opened, we were right around here. So now when the stock opened, I'm like, okay, well, let me go to the daily chart. I wasn't watching it at the time, but now this is the only stock running at the time. So I'm like, okay, let me watch it. So I go to the daily chart. I'll mark out my levels. I'll mark out this demand zone. The reason for that is because we are above this level. So now that we are above this level, right, we break above this level, I'm looking for traders to notice and market makers to notice, hey, we have previous buying support at this level, which made a move all the way up to right here, and then right here, which is 95 and 76. And those were my price targets, right? So that's what I said. That's what I said, room. So we took this trade twice. And I said room to 0.8 today when adding at 57.5. So we're already aiming for a 30-40% trade, right? So I took it at this level. And you guys can see on this trade right here, right? That's exactly what happened. We started making this bottom support, which is exactly where buying was in pre-market, or sorry, on the daily chart, right? So we took the first trade right around here, 9:45. This is when we nailed it from 54 all the way to new highs at 65. And then when it came down, I took a re-entry. Let's see what time that was. Took a re-entry at 9:01, so 10:01 Eastern time, right here, right here. I took an entry right here. And we came down and said I want it lower, and then I added at 9:24, which is 10 minutes later, 9:24. So 10:24. I said it right here that I added again on MGRX. I added more, and that's when we're a lot more interested. That hey, this is setting up a lot nicer. So this is exactly the same zone that I was using the whole day. This is where I was scalping off of, and this is where I was able to make a good chunk, about $20,000 of that $70,000 today. And you guys can see it's a very simple game plan. On YouTube live streams every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I go over exactly how liquidity works. So there's liquidity over highs and liquidity over lows. Now, in a hurry, what is liquidity? Liquidity is where are the most orders sitting, right? So we have stop loss orders and longs trying to go short, shorts trying to go, longs trying to sell, because their stop loss orders are hitting, and then shorts are trying to short. So there's a lot of influx of orders right here. So what market makers do is they crack below the low, they grab all the orders and they reclaim the level. And that's how you guys can see a perfect hold of this level. So now I know that next liquidity from here is now targeted up at 76 cents. And that's exactly what happened. We reclaimed, we went to 76 and made that massive move up. So this was the breakdown of that chart. I hope you guys understand liquidity and how I got this level. One other thing that you guys want to see for a little bit more confluence, we have a big downtrend break right here. We have a massive downtrend break. So when I took this trade, I'm anticipating this breakout, retest, and for that move to the upside. And that's exactly what happened in MGRX. And you guys can see I'm not the only one that banked. The whole team banked. So under a 5-minute video explaining everything, simply why I traded MGRX. The market is hot. So make sure you guys are capitalizing on it. If you guys want to trade with me for free every single day and get my ideas every single day, you can trade with me for free for a whole week on live every single day. Lessons. Top link in the description. Check that out. I'm always there. I'm always on voice. I'm always helping out in chat. And I'm actually teaching a strategy rather than just blindly following. All right. So I want everyone to win. Make sure we keep capitalizing on these opportunities. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.